Hello everyone, welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. Many of you have asked me, how do I chop my vegetables so perfect? I chop my vegetables using this nicer dicer which consists of different blades. Let's see how do we use it. First, peel and slice your vegetables. I have taken carrots and potato. In this plate, you have two sizes, finely chopped and medium-sized cubes. Place the vegetable slice and press the cover. That's what you need to do. Similarly, potatoes. Look at these, perfectly chopped. Next, we will flip the blade for finely chopped and repeat the process. Can you imagine chopping these with your knife? Next, I'll use the wedges blade and place a zucchini. In this way, you can chop vegetables in your desired shapes very easily. This comes with a grater, slicer and a peeler as well. Next gadget is for vegetables like lady's finger, beans, spring onion. This is fast and accurate. It's perfect for fried rice, vegetable stuffing, soups. Next, I'm going to introduce you to my mini chopper for ginger and garlic. Peel the garlic and put in between the blades and press hard. Chopping ginger and garlic was never easy without this. For ginger, slice the ginger and repeat the process. It's easy and fun. Even your kids would love to help you in chopping. Invest little in your kitchen gadgets and make your life easy. Subscribe to Akshay Foods and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. See you again. Bye-bye.